Welcome to the introduction to resetting your Noritz Tankless water heater. A tankless water heater provides hot water on demand, heating water only when needed and saving energy compared to traditional tank heaters. Resetting your tankless water heater may be necessary for several common reasons. These include error codes appearing on the display, no hot water flowing, or inconsistent water temperatures. Don't worry. Resetting is a simple troubleshooting step that can resolve these common issues. The reset button is easy to locate and press. Before attempting any maintenance on your Noritz tankless water heater, safety must be your top priority. These units involve electricity, gas, and hot water, so proper precautions are essential to prevent injury or damage. First, ensure your safety by turning off the electrical power to the unit. Locate your home's breaker box and switch off the breaker that controls the water heater circuit. This prevents any risk of electrical shock during the procedure. If your workplace requires it, follow OSHA lockout-tagout procedures to isolate energy sources and prevent accidental startup. This includes notifying affected personnel, shutting down equipment, and applying locks and tags. Remember that tankless water heaters can produce very hot water, and their surfaces may remain hot even when power is off. Allow time for cooling and use protective gear when necessary to avoid burns. These safety precautions help prevent accidents. If you're ever unsure about any procedure, consult a qualified professional or your Noritz dealer for assistance. The reset button on a Noritz tankless water heater is typically located on the front panel, near the control panel or digital display. The exact location may vary slightly depending on the specific model of your Noritz tankless water heater. Different Noritz models may have the reset button in slightly different positions on the front panel. To perform the reset procedure, first locate the reset button on the unit. Then, press and hold the reset button firmly. Hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds. After releasing, the unit may make some noises and cycle through its startup sequence. If your reset is due to an error code, note the code number displayed on the control panel before resetting. Find what the error code means in your Noritz user manual or search online for the specific code. Resetting clears the error code temporarily. If the underlying issue persists, the code will reappear. Once the reset is complete, turn the power back on at the breaker box. It may take a few minutes for the water to heat up after the reset. Now test the hot water at a faucet. Go to a faucet and turn on the hot water. Run the hot water for a few minutes to ensure the heater is functioning correctly. Check that the water temperature remains consistent throughout this time. If the reset doesn't solve the problem, or if error codes persist, it's time to call a qualified plumber or Noritz technician. Attempting complex repairs without proper training can be dangerous.